The Rape of the Lock satire. Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock is a clever satire that pokes fun at the silly behaviors of 18th century English society. Satire is a way of writing that uses humor and irony to show how foolish or wrong certain behaviors or ideas. Main aim of using satire is to bring reforms in society. To write satire, Pope follows these techniques to make his satire powerful. Choose a target. Pick something silly or wrong in society to make fun of. Use irony. Show how ridiculous something is by comparing it to what's expected. Exaggerate. Make something sound more important or ridiculous than it is. Use mock heroic tone. Write about everyday things in a grand style. Be subtle. Don't be too obvious or mean. Let's discuss them and try to justify how these techniques are used in poem to satire the society and its people. First of all, here's how Alexander Pope invokes the muse to address God in The Rape of the Lock. Say, Virgin Muse, why should I invoke thy aid? Descend from heaven, and animate my lay. This invocation sets the satirical stage, mocking societal excesses while pretending to address grand, epic themes. Pope targets several issues in his satire, including the vanity of the aristocracy. He uses irony to highlight how ridiculous it is to make a big deal out of something small. He writes, "What dire offense from amorous causes springs, what mighty contests rise from trivial things." This shows how absurd it is to get worked up over a lock of hair. We also see there come supernatural elements like grand epic. Here are some supernatural power elements in Alexander Pope's The Rape of the Lock. Sylphs, mythical beings guarding Belinda's beauty, Canto 1, line 28. Gnomes, mischievous spirits controlling earthy matters, Canto 2, line 53. Nymphs, nature spirits attending Belinda, Canto 1, line 24. By incorporating supernatural power elements, Pope enhances satire with fantastical critique. Parodies mythological and literary conventions. Creates a unique, dreamlike atmosphere. These elements amplify the poem's themes, mocking societal excesses and the absurdity of human conflicts. Pope also uses exaggeration, or hyperbole, to make his point. He makes the lock of hair sound incredibly important to show how silly the aristocracy's obsession with appearance is. Pope states that the sacred lock, with violently hand, is ravishdi from its virgin temple shy. This exaggeration helps us see how ridiculous the situation is. Another technique Pope uses is mock heroic tone. This means he writes about everyday events in a grand, epic style to show how silly they are. For example, and thus, as proclamation loud, he'd cry, "The sacred lock, with violently hand, is ravishdi from its virgin temple shy." Effective satire needs clever language and a good understanding of the issue. You also need to decide on the right tone. In conclusion, The Rape of the Lock is a great example of satire. Pope uses irony, exaggeration, and mock heroic tone to show how silly the aristocracy's behaviors are. By following these techniques, writers can create clever critiques of modern societal issues.